Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a background blur in Framer. So this effect is useful when you want the content behind a frame to look softer and less distracting. So to get started, create a new frame in your project. After that, place the image or object that you want to use inside the frame. And once your content is ready, create another frame that covers the entire area where you want the blur effect to appear. Next, check the layers and make sure the image is placed above the new frame. This is important so the blur can affect the background correctly without covering the image. Now, select the frame that you just created and go to the Style section on the right side. And then click the plus icon, open the Filters option, and then choose Blur. You can then increase or decrease the blur amount until the background looks the way that you want. And once you have adjusted the blur level, the effect is complete. That is how you can quickly add background blur in Framer. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.